Hi, I'm Lisa Marie Samaha from the Perio Arts Institute, Perio Passion Seminars, and Perio Arts Research. And I am so excited to be here at the kickoff meeting of the American Academy of Oral Systemic Health. This is an amazing organization with an amazing level of energy and passion for helping patients throughout the world become healthier and live longer lives. We've got top-notch clinicians and researchers here with us from dentistry, and this wave is not going to crash anytime soon, but I would encourage everyone to ride the wave, to get in there and really make this an integral part of your practice, because it is not going away. And with all the oral systemic research that just keeps compiling in our literature, we have more reason than ever to maintain our level of knowledge and education so that we can care for our patients properly. There is no way that we can deny our moral, ethical, and legal responsibility to take care of our patients from an oral systemic standpoint. And all these other areas of dentistry that have become so popular now are really things that, such as short-term orthodontics and cosmetic braces and all of these things, even sleep apnea treatment, which actually has a huge role in the oral systemic component of dentistry. But you know, we're distracted by many things that keep us from our core responsibility, and that is the foundational health of our patients' smiles.